Can you tell me the obtuse angle between the minute and hour hand in the time 7:12? It's not as easy as you might think. Let's take a look.
Nice.
The first thing we need to establish is that the hour and minute hand are moving at different speeds. Every hour, the minute hand is doing a full 360 degrees. However, the hour hand is only doing 1/12 of the full 360 degrees. So, to calculate the angle it's moving, we have to do 360 divided by 12, which 36 divided by 12 is 3. Add the 0, 30 degrees. The next thing is 12 minutes is 1/5 of a full hour. So to calculate our rotation, we just need to divide these full hours by 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6 degrees. Dividing this by 5, we get 72 degrees. So for 12 minutes, we are rotating 72 degrees for the minute hand, and this hour hand is moving 6 degrees in from the hour. Now let's calculate the angle in between, and I've labeled them with green ticks on my diagram. We already know that this angle between the hour hands is 30 degrees. All that's left to find is this angle between 12 minutes and half an hour. And we can do that easily by saying half is 180 degrees, take away 72 degrees is 108 degrees, and all that's left to do is add all of these values, and we get 144 degrees.
Nice.